If you thought Italy was bad, wait until you hear what France has been hiding. The croissant isn't French. The French baguette was invented by Austrians. And French wine? Half of it is fake. Croissant from Vienna, baguette by Austrians. And wine? You won't believe the numbers. The Austrian connection goes deeper than you think. From Kipferl to croissant, history got remixed.
The stories you know are polished myths. The facts are older and not always French.
Champagne method stolen from England. Croissants from Vienna. French fries from Belgium. Even butter wasn't French. This is France lied about their food too. Myth. Gar 1. The croissant is the symbol of French baking. Wrong. 1839. The Viennese import lands in Paris. The Kipferl, a crescent pastry, celebrated Vienna defeating the Ottoman siege in 1683. Crescent shape? Viennese. Layers and lamination came later. An Austrian queen in France. But the real croissant wave starts with a Viennese bakery in 1839. An Austrian officer turned baker opened Paris to viennoiserie before France even tasted a croissant.
The French perfected laminated dough, but the crescent tradition was already Austrian.
200 years of marketing turned a Viennese idea into a French icon. Most people still don't know. Even the word says it. Viennoiserie. From Vienna. When you bite that croissant, you taste Austrian history. Finished in French style. Myth 1. Exposed. Myth number 2. France invented champagne. England would like a word. 1662 versus 1668. Who was first? In 1662, Marais documented making sparkling wines in England. Dom Pérignon started 6 years later. Royal Society records describe adding sugar to create effervescence. The method itself. France perfected terroir and branding. But invention? Not this time. They didn't invent it, but they sold it to the world.
Documentation beats legend. England was first to describe the process in print.
Méthode traditionnelle, méthode champenoise, same science, different label. A sparkling truth hidden in plain sight. If you're shocked, hit that like button. 1662, Marais. 1668, Dom. File that under. Inconvenient facts. Next myth. Next sacred cow. Myth number 3. The baguette is an ancient French tradition. Try again. 1920. Bakers couldn't start before 4 a.m., so they needed fast bacon, long loaves. Before 1920, round loaves ruled the table. The iconic stick? A modern convenience, not an ancient treasure. Instagram says ancient. History says 100 years. Even the shape echoes Austrian long loaves of the 1800s.
Techniques travel. France refined them and branded them.
Old France on the left. New marketing on the right. Delicious? Absolutely. Ancient? Not even close. Smash like if this surprised you. Next up, the world's biggest food misnomer. Myth number 4. French fries are French. Belgium has entered the chat. Belgium, 1680. France, never. When rivers froze and fish vanished, Belgian villagers fried potatoes instead. Documents and paintings trace fried potatoes to the Meuse Valley. American soldiers heard French everywhere and misnamed Belgian fries as French. Translation error, not French invention. The world's biggest food misnomer. Order French fries. Honor Belgian ingenuity. France takes the credit. French butter? Dutch and Irish techniques perfected centuries earlier. That $1,000 French wine? Investigators estimate up to a 20% counterfeit rate. Provence olive oil? Often from Tunisia. Black truffles? Sometimes Chinese. French cheese? 30% use foreign milk.
France built an empire on borrowed techniques, sharp branding, and ruthless consistency.
Comment which lie shocked you most. Croissant, Austrian, 1683. Champagne method, English, 1662. Baguette, labor law hack. Fries, Belgian, 1680. Butter, Dutch and Irish tech. France didn't create it. They branded it and perfected it. France, the world's best food marketers. Now you know the truth. Does it change how the food tastes? Which French food lie shocked you the most? Italy or France? Who lied more? Comment below. Subscribe. Spanish food gets exposed next week.